Hello YouTube friends. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Please subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you get the latest video updates. When the Chevrolet Tahoe arrived in 2021 wearing an all-new design, packing some impressive capability, and boasting a cavernous interior, it gave the automaker a more modern large SUV. Entering just its second model year on sale since the full redesign, we expect the 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe to be a carryover model. The current Tahoe appeared with a bold, divisive design. An enormous grille dominates the front end and sits in between thin headlights with C-shaped LED daytime running lights. The Tahoe's rectangular silhouette is broken up by a prominent body line that connects the headlights with the square taillights. A blacked-out D-pillar helps give the illusion of a wraparound rear windshield. Since Chevy just introduced the redesigned Tahoe in 2021, we don't expect any changes for the 2022 model. On the inside, the current Tahoe boasts its most upscale and largest interior to date. The 2022 Tahoe should retain a lot of the same interior design elements as the current model. Thanks to an independent rear suspension, the current Tahoe has a flatter load floor, more cargo space, and more space in the third row than previous model years. The design is also more attractive than before with a tiered and curvy dashboard. Large buttons and dials are found throughout the dashboard, helping the current model feel easy to use. Standard tech features on the current Tahoe include a 10.2-inch touchscreen, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, satellite radio, a 6-speaker audio system, Wi-Fi hotspot, 6 USB ports, and Bluetooth. Wireless smartphone charging, a 10-speaker Bose audio system, two 12.6-inch rear touchscreens, and navigation are optional. We expect the 2022 Tahoe to retain the same standard and optional tech features. Chevrolet is expected to continue to offer 3 engines with the 2022 Tahoe. The standard engine will be a 5.3-liter V8 that makes 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. A 6.2-liter V8 engine is optional, making 420 horsepower and 460 pounds-foot of torque. Another available engine is a turbocharged 3.0-liter 6-cylinder that's rated at 277 horsepower and 460 pounds-foot of torque. All engines come with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive is standard, while all-wheel drive is optional. Standard safety features for the 2022 Tahoe will match the ones found on the current model. Forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, a teen driver system, automatic high beam assist, and rear parking sensors will be standard. The available driver alert package on the base LS trim brings front parking sensors, rear cross traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. Chevrolet hasn't made any announcements on when the 2022 Tahoe will officially go on sale. Based on past years, we expect an on-sale date of summer 2021. Pricing isn't available for the 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe yet. Without any major expected changes, the 2022 Tahoe should remain close to the current Tahoe's range of $50,295 to $63,395 with destination. This large SUV will compete against the Ford Expedition, Nissan Armada, Toyota Sequoia, and GMC Yukon.